Welcome everybody. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Another track and field weekend pandem. This is the Grand Slam track Philadelphia, the third in the series, and we will be seeing 9 Jamaicans representing Yard at this event. The Grand Slam track series is heating up, and its third stop promises to be the most electric yet. This Saturday and Sunday, all eyes turn to Philadelphia's legendary Franklin Field Stadium, where elite sprinters, hurdlers, and distance runners collide in a weekend of speed, rivalry, and redemption. And leading the charge, a powerful Jamaican squad ready to leave their mark on US soil. Now we have Jamaican fire meets American flash in the women's short hurdles. Pretty excited for this one. Prepare for fireworks as Danielle Williams, the reigning queen of the women's short hurdles and two-time world champion, returns to the track with vengeance. She's already 100,000, have the molo from her Grand Slam victory in Kingston, and she not done yet. But standing in her way is none other than Sydney McLaughlin. We're talking about America's unstoppable force in the 400-meter hurdles, now stepping into the 100-meter hurdles. Ray, it's gonna be lit. Now, Williams won't be alone. She'll be flanked by Ackera Nugent, very promising hurdler there. The Miami short hurdle champion with 11.09 PB in the 100-meter flats, and Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapa, she not top out yet, who was about to climb higher than her third place finish in Miami. The Clash of Titans is set for today at 6:22 p.m. ET. And don't blink, cause this one I gonna be blazing. Now we have Rochelle Clayton in the long hurdles. There, the women's long hurdles also get a shot of adrenaline with the return of Rochelle Clayton, fresh off a recovery from her injury in Kingston. Alongside her is Adrienne Knight, forming a formidable Jamaican duo with one goal dominate. Now, Clayton's bronze from the 2023 World Championship is no fluke. Expect her to come back swinging. And that's the 400-meter hurdles that we're talking about. Now we also have Nikisha Price, another Jamaican to watch, national record holder in the 400 meter, after dominating the NCAA circuit and clocking one of the fastest times globally. Price makes her Grand Slam track debut in Philly. She's no stranger to pressure, and this weekend she'll be chasing more than medals. She's chasing a legacy. Now we have the men's showdown, hurdles, middle distance, and speed. While Jamaican's men lineup has thinned due to Oblique Civel's withdrawal, the intensity remains sky high. In the men's short hurdles, fans are in for a thriller featuring Trey Cunningham, Cardell Tinch, Daniel Roberts, and Freddie Crittenden, four of the fastest and most technical hurdlers in the world. The men's short distance events might steal a show. We're talking about Josh Kerr, Marco, Josh Huey, and Hobbs headline what could be the preview of the Paris podium. The 800-meter and 1500-meter are both dripping with talent, pride, and unfinished business. Jamaica's Javon Powell will carry the flag in the men's 200-meter, while Wilson steps up in the long hurdles. Now, another event to look out for is Gabby Thomas versus Melissa Jefferson in the women's 100. Another can't miss event is the women's 100 meter, where Gabby Thomas, Olympic 200 meter medalist, gold medalist, tries to edge out Melissa, who barely bested her in Miami. With only 1 point separating them in the last slam, Philly could decide bragging rights for the season. Now tell us, are you feeling the thrill? Because we are, and we are definitely going to keep you updated about what happens today. We'll try our best. And tomorrow, because the finals are the things to see, who what defines what. Now remember that. Now you have a big up founder. track legend Michael Johnson. Grand Slam track has redefined the sport for the modern era, blending elite competition, star power, and high stakes reward. It's just in its first year, and it's off to a good start, with 100,000 up for grabs at each stop, plus season long points and ultimate champion crowns on the line. This isn't just a meet, it's a battle for track supremacy. Now you can watch it on the Peacock. You can watch it on Peacock, and we'll keep you updated, make you know what's what. Now I'm seeing here that for day one, the event kicks off at 4:39 p.m. and goes all the way up to 6:22 p.m. there.